Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable extensions to run in incognito mode on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you can see your main window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which represent the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options and settings. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will expand a side menu showing you additional extension-related options. Extensions are the add-ons and tools you've installed in Chrome to enhance your browsing experience, and this menu gives you quick access to manage them. In the side menu that pops up, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a new page dedicated entirely to your installed extensions, where you can view, enable, disable, or remove any extension you've added to Chrome. This page is your central hub for controlling how extensions behave in your browser. Now, scroll through the list of extensions displayed on this page and find the specific extension you want to enable for incognito mode. Once you've located it, look for a button labeled Details underneath the extension's name and icon. Click on this Details button to access more in-depth settings and information about that particular extension. After clicking Details, you'll be taken to a dedicated settings page for that extension. On this page, scroll down until you find the option that says Allow in Incognito. This setting is crucial because by default, most extensions are disabled in incognito mode for privacy reasons. Enabling this option lets the extension function even when you're browsing privately. Right beside the Allow in Incognito text, you'll see a toggle button. This toggle controls whether the extension can run in incognito windows or not. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, the toggle will change color, typically to blue, indicating that the extension now has permission to operate in incognito mode. And that's it. You've successfully enabled your extension to run in incognito mode on Google Chrome. Now, whenever you open an incognito window, this extension will be active and ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.